Okay, the next section on here says sketch the graph of the line. What do we do first? Go to +2. Good. So go to the +2 and put your dot on +2. Then what? Okay, which way? You can't say over. Okay, is this negative line or positive line? Which way does that look like? This or this? This. Okay, so if we go up, which way do you need to go over? Up. If you go up one, you're going to go over to the left one. Okay, and then we're going to draw our line. Make sure you draw a line. Okay, it should have 2 arrows. Okay, flip your reviews. You're going to need some of the notes for the shading ones. Okay, 23. Okay, this is the same thing. So what do we plot first? The -2. And then is our slope positive or negative? Positive. So our line should be looking like this. Okay, so we're going to go up 2 and over 3. Which way? Good. Is this a shading one?
No.
How do you know?
Because they don't got the...
Yeah, don't got the little mouth guys. The little Pac-Man, whatever you want to call them. Alligator, I don't know. Okay, sketch the graph of each linear inequality. So we're going to start out and we graph them just like we did. So we start with the -4. Is this line positive or negative? Positive. How do we do the slope? Says 7. How do I do that? Go up 7. And what? Over 1. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1. Should this be a solid or dotted line?
Solid.
You sure?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, solid line. Okay, and then where do we shade?
Go up.
Below? Above?
Below.
It's below. Okay, 27. Where do we start out at?
1.
At 1.
Negative.
It's negative. Okay, so we're going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 3, which way?
Right.
To the left. Solid or dotted line?
Dotted.
Dotted line for sure. Okay, and then do we shade above or below?
I do apologize for this interruption. Anicia Mayers, please report to the high school front office immediately. Anicia Mayers, please report to the high school front office at this time.
Okay, flip your review page. Get on the same one. Okay, your test is not going to be as long. So some of them, the number, like your back page right now, is this page. It may not be like that on your test. It's going to go in the same order, but you need to like match up the instructions. See how they're in bold? Okay, so match up the problem type with the instructions, and then you'll be all right. Because there's less questions on your test than there is on here. Okay, so is this a V or a U? How do you know it's a U?
U.
It's got the parentheses. Okay, what does this -1 do?
You go to -1, negative 1.
Okay, what does it do though?
Graphic.
Where?
Up and down.
Y line.
We're going to go down 1 on the Y line. Okay, so we're going to go down 1. What does this -1 do? Look at your notes. It's on the inside of the parentheses and it's a minus.
You go left. 1.
Right. You're right, one.
We go right one. Okay, now, how do we graph the rest of it?
Up and over.
Up one,
Up one over one. And then what?
up four, over four.
From where?
The bottom.
From the bottom, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Okay, tomorrow when you guys do your test, you better make nice big fat dots that I can see. Hey, Seuss draws his like this. And I don't even, like, that's not acceptable, okay? They're gonna be nice big fat dots because I'm gonna be looking at the location of your dots to make sure that you went up 4 and over 2, okay? I don't care if you, like, see how mine missed it a little bit? That I don't care about, but if your dots are this tiny, I can't even, okay? So make sure that you're making nice big fat dots tomorrow. Okay, so 31, a V or a U?
V.
It's gonna be a U, why?
Because it has to.
It's got the parentheses. Okay, we're gonna start out at 0. What does this minus 4 do?
You start at four.
Go down four.
Down 4. What does this minus 2 do?
Up two.
Go to the right.
two.
To the right 2. Would it make sense to go left 2?
No.
No. But when you have ones like these and there's all of these, then you can really mess it up, okay? So make sure that you're going the right way. And then we're gonna, same thing, go up 1 over 1 and up 4 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Okay, last one. V or a U?
V.
V. Okay. What does the minus 1 do?
Down one.
No.
Right.
Where's the down go? Okay, this is a down 2 because see how it's on the outside of the bars? Okay, so that means we don't go up or down at all. There's nothing there. What does the inside do? A minus on the inside. What does that do?
Go right to right. One.
Right.
Goes right 1. So instead of going up and down, there's nothing there. So that means you just don't go up or down. You're going to go right 1. And then how do we graph the rest? Up 1 over. How many dots do you need? 5. Okay, you should have 5 total dots. Okay, the rest is for you guys to do. You got 12 problems. Okay, get them done. If you did not finish your sheet from yesterday,